Hello, good morning. Okay, I'm very happy and very appreciate I can come to this conference. And my name is Syunka, and work is the overseas technical support from the DOBOT. So the first day, I will introduce some of the products about the AMMR and some information about the DOBOT. So first I will do briefly the introduction about the DOBOT. So this picture shows the company, and the DOBOT we found in the 2015 years, and so our company is the first world the desktop, the grid, the cooperative robot. Okay, and so our robot at first is the magician is a small robot for the education, but now we have the line up from the educational the robot to the industrial robots and the business robots. So and the pilot is from the 0.5 the kilogram to the 16 the kilograms, and about the DOBOT couples, the series we from the industrial the robot. Our name is CS and some of the CS series and the M1 Pro like the Scara. So like this robot. Okay, and in our DOBOT we focus on the R&D, and in every year we can put the 10 millimeter the dollars in R&D, and so in our team, in our company, the employee, we have over the 14% employee person in works at the R&D, and so we can bring together a senior technological support and the R&D the tenants. And this picture shows some of the words from in DOBOT. So every year we can. For example, like in this slide, we in past years we get some of the result, the design award, and some the IF design, the award, some another the award. And this picture shows in our factory, and this factory is located in the China, in the east of China, in Shandong, and we opened this factory in last year. And now we can produce the 100,000 units the robots per year, and we use our cobot to produce the cobots. Also, next I just want to do briefly introduction about some of the advantages. So in our robots we first is human machine the cooperative the robot, and we integrate the DH, the parameters, the algorithm, and we'll fix on some of the safety technology like the safety, the skin, and the technician, the detection, and some another the core the technology like so like we have the very high the precise the brampings, and it's achieving through the object recognition. And this shows the safe skin, so we can set the detection the distance from the 5 the cent to the 15 the cent. So it's their safety and efficiency. And if our user want to use the cobot, we can support the multiple the programming the options. So for some of the beginner, if they don't have some the programming backgrounds, they can use like the Scratch. So it's the graphical programming, and it's very easy to install and use it, and use another the different device to use our the cobots. And this is show some of the pressing the motion, and also we can use some of the camera, the 3D and the 2D camera, and also we can integrate some of the force sensor to do like this the application. Also we use we already open some of the AI the interface, so we can use the voice control and some of the vision control in our cobots. And this is some of the slide about our the products from the the 500 gram to the 16 gram the pilot the course. And these two some the ecosystem, the device. So we use the device to work with our cobalt. So today I want to give you more details about the AMMR. So first I will show a small video to tell some information about our
DOBOT autonomous mobile manipulation robot solution. Uses an unmanned chassis automobile base. Works with the CR series opus. Connects instantly to a variety of grippers and 2-dimension, 3-dimension vision modules. Automate wafer transportation, loading, unloading, and controlling tasks with ease. Meets the requirements of ISO 3691 for 2020. Dual LiDARs for 360 degrees scan to ensure safety. Customizable safety zones to meet the needs of various application scenarios. Supports vision-based automatic calibration to achieve ±0.5 mm accuracy. Supports smart calibration with feature identification for extra precise accuracy. Graphical user interface format instruction, station and text creation and test editing. Embedded laser slam algorithm achieves repeatability up to ±5 mm. Maximum adjustable navigation speed up to 1.5 meters per second. Compact body to navigate through narrow pathways. The AMR can carry out automation tasks such as multi-station loading and unloading. Managed transportation, making production lines even more flexible. It is great for the semiconductor, electronics, metal processing, manufacturing, and energy industries.
Okay, thank you for your watching this video. Okay, so this slide shows the AMR, and so now this model is the AMB300XX, and so now we launch the product. And so as for this, the AMR, and so we it's very the high pricing, and so this AMR we already passed the CE the full instruction and get some of the certifications like the CEMD, the CE, the EMC, and also this the AMR we have the machine. That means the cleanness the level is already achieved to the 5+, and also we support the multiple safety protections, and it supports the double safety, the ladders, so it will give the 316 the degree all around the detection. So if someone stand on the in front of the AMR, the robot will stop motoring, and so it's very safety, and it's free to set the safety in the protection the area. This is the slide shows some of the certifications in this the AMR. And this is a specification about this the AMR, and here shows the two models, the AMB the 300XX and the AMB the 300D. So here are two models, and these two models support the same. The navigation method is the laser the slam. Okay, and they have the different size, so depending on the customer's needs, they can choose the different modes and the different options. So they have the different the battery, the chemistry, and and some for example the environment and another the parameters, they are different. And this is about the software to control the AMMR. So this is the interface of the software. The name is the robot shop, and we can use this software to drag maps and edit the maps, and to create the navigation paths and by ourselves. So it's the convenient, and we can do. And we can configure some of the robots and the parameters in this software, and to debugging and monitoring or the Mac building. And also we can use the another device to collect with this AMR, and to set and to do the configuration, to collect with the multiple machine collaboration, and to do the interaction with different the device. We'll see some of the advantages about and some of the features about the robot shop. So as shown in this picture, it can support some the AI interface, and to do the laser, the reflective, the navigation, and to do location to the location listing the module. Okay, and this slide shows about the RDS, the robot that is passing the system. So so like this image. So we can use this software to managing and to control the multiple robots, and to management the task order, and the route planning, and the monitoring the operation, or some the peripheral the interaction with another device. And here is I will show the two cases about the AMR to work with the robot and the camera. So here it shows the topic is to use the AMR and the cobot to do the sensing processing and loading and unloading. So it's very the standard the case in the industrial. And so use this the AMR. We want the robot, the AMR, to recognize the sensing machines, the signal, and also to do some of the process with the robot and another device. And also it's necessary to get the communication with the robot and the sensing the machine and another the device. So and another the customers the needs is need to do the one cycle is the 8 minutes. So in order to do this, we provide a solution to do this case. So I would like to show this picture. Yeah, so we can know from the small video the cobots to pick up the piece into the sensor machine. Okay, and it will to move the next station. Okay, and put the piece to the sensor machine again. So and in this application, the cycle time is the 8 minutes. So the one set of these cobots, so we can get a service for the sensor machine is the 8 units. So because of this, so we can save the 2 workers in one and the day and the night shift, and so the investment can be covered and saved in the 1.5 years. So this is also to loading and unloading service set. So in this solution, we use the fully automated production, and it's already reduce the manual interventions from 16% to 18%. Okay, and this is another case. It's about the semiconductor strange, the magazine loading and the unloading. So this work is very important and serious in this industry. And in here, the robot needed to do work, and the process flow is like this. First, we need to do the dynamic boarding, and then to wear the boarding, and also like the glue dispensing, to post test, and then to go back to the warehouse. So, and in this case, the robot and the AGV, the AMR needed to get the communication with so many the device. So like the boarding machine and the 4 cans of the baking ovens, and the boarding loading, and so many machines need to be collected with the AMR. So we can use the AMR's API, the interface, to get the communication we hear. And another one, the difficult and the important work is in this application. We need to the total device are so we need to the AMR to move and transport the device is over the 1,000 unit. And also we in the DOBOT cobots, we need to do the programming and to save the points in here, and the points number is over the 3,000 points. So it's very difficult and will take some time to do this. But once we achieve this again, it will reduce more times to another work to do another works. So in here we use the set is the 48 the unit of the AMR and the CR5, and we also use the box storage and to do the application. And here we install the camera on the cobots. So we use the camera to take a picture, and we are ready to set so many mark points on different device. So the car will go to the different station and to take service the camera to take picture and to recognize the QR code, and to service the robot and can know what will do in the next process. So on the workpiece, here are so many QR codes in, so you can see here so many the QR codes on the workpiece. So the camera will recognize the QR code and put in different the location. Okay, so in this case, we usually use the camera to do the pickup, and so when we use the camera, it's very difficult, and it's necessary to do some the location and calibration. And so now we in this year we launched another product, so we already integrate the camera to our cobot. So don't like this, we install the camera and in different location, and we can use like this cobots. I will play this video. So this is the vision camera. We limit the 2.5 the vision camera, so we can the users can use the camera to on the cobots, and it's very easy to calibration and to locate the points or to recognize some the points and the location through the robot. So don't need to use another software to do calibration. And we can only to set some of the points in the software, and we can do the calibration from the picture to the robot, the physical, the calibration. So in future we consider use like this, the 2.5D already integrate the vision camera, the robot, and on the AMR, so it will become the easier and more the convenient for users to move to do some the work and process when they want to use the camera. Okay, and next I just want to take a small and the briefing, the introduction about the DOBOT after the service. So here is just some. So this year we already opened the Japan branch, and our headquarters is in Shenzhen in China. And in this year, in summer we plan to open the Germany and the American branch this year. Okay, and the service, the guarantee, we can support the online support. So when the users they use the robot, and if they have any questions or for example about the hardware or software or some programming, they can feedback to us by email or use the phone. So it's very convenient. And also we can support and provide the distributor and the training for the online or on-site. So like in Japan, we already opened the launch in the Tokyo Hanadojo. So the customers can come to our Tokyo office to take the on-site the training and to learn how to use the cobots, about the software and hardware and the SDK or some the programming to do another the work and some of the application training. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all.